So student, the question is, prove that the angle between the lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the line y equal to 3x plus 2 with the curve x square plus 2xy plus 3y square plus 4x plus 8y equal to 11 is tan inverse 2 root 2 by 3. Student, I am drawing here first of all a rough diagram. Suppose a student, this is the curve and this one is the line. So you will get 2 points of intersection, one is this and one is this. Now we will join these two lines. One this point and one is the origin. When you join it, see, these are two different straight lines and these two, the angle between these two pair of straight lines you have to prove is tan inverse root 2 is tan inverse 2 root 2 by 3. So if you suppose this angle is theta, then you have to find out this theta. So what we will do, the thing is, because of you have to find out the angle between the pair of a straight line passing through the origin and the point of intersection of the curve and a given straight line. So with the help of this line, if you make this curve as homogeneous, then that homogeneous equation will represent the pair of a straight line, this. So here the given line is y is equal to 3x plus 2. So from here we'll find out the value of 1 as y minus 3x upon 2, and the given curve is here x square plus 2xy plus 3y square plus 4x plus 8y equal to 11. Now we will make this equation as homogeneous equation with the help of this one. So we can write it x square plus 2xy plus 3y square plus 4x into 1 plus 4x plus 8y into 1 minus 11 into 1 square is equal to 0. And then we'll substitute the value of 1 from the first equation. So it becomes x square plus 2xy plus 3y square plus 4x plus 8y into 1, and the value of 1 is y minus 3x upon 2. So we'll write here y minus 3x upon 2 minus 11 into y minus 3x upon 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now we will simplify it. So what you will get after the simplification? See, x square plus 2xy plus 3y square plus this, if you take 2 common from here, this 2 will get cancelled. So now it becomes 2x plus 4y. Now we will multiply 2x plus 4y with y minus 3x. So 2x into y, it becomes 2xy. 2x into minus 3x square. 2x with minus 3x, it becomes minus 6x square. Then 4y with y plus 4y square minus 4y with 3x. So it will be 12xy. Now here minus 11 by 4 into y square minus 6xy plus 9x square is equal to 0. Now we'll get here minus 5x square minus 8xy plus 7y square minus 11 by 4 into y square minus 6xy plus 9x square is equal to 0. So it becomes now minus 119x square plus 34xy minus 71y square is equal to 0. If you take minus sign common, it becomes 119x square minus 34xy plus 71y square is equal to 0. Now after simplification, we will get here minus 119 minus 119x square plus 34xy plus 17y square is equal to 0. Now here we can take minus 17 common. After taking minus 17 common, we'll get here plus 7x square minus 2xy minus y square is equal to 0. So it is 7x square minus 2xy minus y square is equal to 0. So finally you will get 7x square minus 2xy minus y square is equal to 0 as the equation of pair of straight lines. Now if you suppose theta be the angle between two lines, and those two lines are these two green lines, whose equation is 7x square minus 2xy minus y square equal to 0. So therefore we can use here the angle tan theta equal to, the formula is 2 into root under h square minus ab upon a plus b, and then mod. Using this formula we will find the value of theta. So tan theta is equal to mod 2 into root under h square, h is here minus 1, So minus 1 whole square minus AB. A is 7. B is minus 1 upon A plus B. So A is 7 plus B is minus 1. So we will get here tan theta is equal to 2 into root under 8 divided by 6. Now this 2 and 6 get cancelled. It will be 3. And this root 8 is 2 root 2. So finally we'll get here tan theta is equal to 2 root 2 by 3. Hence theta is equal to tan inverse 2 root 2 by 3. And hence, student, you prove this result that the angle between those two pair of a straight line joining the origin and the point of intersection of the line and the curve is tan inverse 2 root 2 by 3. And hence, we can write here, hence, it proves the result. Now I am taking another question. So student, the question is, the pair of lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curves ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx equal to 0 and a dash x square plus 2h dash xy plus b dash y square plus 2g dash x equal to 0 will be at right angles to one another if, and your options are, the first option is g a dash plus b dash is equal to g dash into a plus b, g into a plus b equal to g dash into a dash plus b dash, which is the second option, and the third option is g into g dash is equal to a plus b into a dash plus b dash, and finally the fourth option is none of these. Student, the previous question, this one, when we did y equal to 3x plus 2 and x square plus 2xy plus 3y square plus 4x plus 8y equal to 11. These two, here we did, to get the pair of a straight line joining the origin and the point of intersection of these two, we make homogeneous. Same here in this question. To get the equation of pair of lines joining the origin and the point of intersection of these two, here also we will make homogeneous. But how? You can see, student, both are the second degree equation. So, if you eliminate those non-homogeneous term which is of degree 1, of degree 0, then the equation becomes a homogeneous equation. So student, to get the homogeneous equation, we will eliminate these two, 2gx and 2g dash x. So let us start the solution. Since given curves are ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx is equal to 0, and the second curve is a dash x square plus 2h dash xy plus b dash y square plus 2g dash into x equal to 0. These are two equations. If you multiply the first equation by g dash, and if you multiply the second equation by g, and if you subtract these two, then what you will get? See, 2g g dash x, 2g g dash x, both will get cancelled. So after multiplication, after multiplying g dash with the first equation and g with the second equation, we will subtract. So I am writing here, on subtracting both equation, what you will get? A g dash minus a dash g x square plus 2g h minus 2g h dash plus 2h g dash minus h dash g xy plus bg dash minus b dash g y square is equal to 0. Now student, this equation will represent the pair of straight line joining the origin and the point of intersection of these two curves. Now according to the condition is those lines will be at right angles to one another. Right angles to one another, it means the sum of coefficient of x square and y square will be equal to 0. Now, since lines are perpendicular to each other, so coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, that is a plus b, equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is ag dash minus a dash g. So you can write ag dash minus a dash g plus coefficient of y square is bg dash minus b dash g. So bg dash minus b dash g is equal to 0. Now after simplification, you can see here from these two, if you take g dash common, it will be a plus b, minus g common, it becomes a dash plus b dash is equal to 0. So g a dash plus b dash is equal to g dash a plus b. So student, this is the condition which you can see from the given options. See, the first option is the correct option. So we can write, so option number 1 is correct option. Thank you student. Now in the next session I will take some more questions based on pair of straight lines.